Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to avoid tolls on your Waze navigation app. Now if you want to avoid tolls on your Waze navigation app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. But before that, make sure that you have installed the Waze app on your device and you are connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data on your device. Now to avoid the toll on your Waze app, simply open the Waze app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Waze app. Now you'll see various options on the bottom on the upper taskbar also. So click on the three straight lines at the very top left. So here you'll see the option like plan a drive, inbox, settings, and also click on the option of setting, and here you'll see various options like, now you need to simply avoid anything and click on the option of navigation, and here you'll see the option like preference, avoid ferries, avoid freeways and all. So you need to simply toggle on the option of avoid toll road. So after clicking on or toggling on the avoid toll road option, you will be able to avoid the toll roads on Waze app. So that's it. That's how you can avoid tolls on Waze navigation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.